play puppy games. I'll play this one as long as I don't have to move from my favorite spot by the pond here. Win one for the team, Rufus. On your bark, get set, go! I got it! I had it. Get the ball, Rufus! Rufus, what are you doing? I caught it! Good game, everyone! It was not a good game because we didn't win, and it was probably your fault, Rufus. I don't know why I ever played this game in the first place. It's okay, Rufus. Maybe you'll win next time. And done. Here, Rufus. A flower necklace always makes me smile when I'm sad. Some flower necklace you got there, Rufus. Time to go home. Come on. Hey, pups. Time to go. Yeah, we better go too. See ya. Rufus! You coming or what? Fine, I'll go home by myself.